Everyone, welcome back to Theta Learning. Let's continue our journey on learning the basics of operating system. So let's come to section 5. So here we'll study what are the goals of operating system. So there are two things. Okay, one is primary goal and the secondary. What is primary? Primary is convenience. I'll come to this why. And secondary is efficiency. Okay. So different operating systems offer different levels of convenience and efficiency. For example, DOS. So this is known for its simplicity. Okay, it is means people who are expert they'll say it is simple, but yeah, but it lacks some conveniences. On the other hand, Mac offers more user-friendly features, but with a bit more overhead. So, for example, these Windows and macOS have graphical interfaces and easy to use features, making them convenient for most users. DOS, while efficient, requires you to use command line inputs for everything. For example, in supercomputers, right? In supercomputers, convenience is not much important because experts use it, and importance is more to efficiency. But when it comes to general purpose usage, of course, convenience is very important. So, goal of operating system: primary is convenience, secondary will be efficiency. So, thank you for watching this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. In the next video, we'll see types of OS. So, thank you.